bayan mo.
Siyades, siyades, at ang Sabado, mag-aaral sa isang linggo. Itong araw sa isang linggo, umiilang tayo ng ito. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito.
Ang ating mga mata, kasama ang ilong, tenga, at bibig na mapula. Jay, anong yan?
Oo, yan, yan. Yan. Good.
Tagalog ba?
Sino pa? Hindi, bibilugan ba natin si ilong? Hindi. Sino pa ang bibilugan natin?
Not makinig.
Si Tena. Sino pa?
Ulo.
Yan lang ang bibilugan natin. Naintindihan? Anong gagawin natin kay ulo? Kay mata, saka kay tena? Anong gagawin natin? Ulit. Ano gagawin natin? Bibilugan. Sige. Kumuha na ng lapis. Shake nyo na. Shake mo rin kamay ha. Ulit, go. Up and down and shake. Up and down and shake. Shake to the right and shake to the left. Roll and shake. Ulit. Ang round naman. Go. Up and down and roll. Up and down and roll. Roll to the right and roll to the left. Roll and roll. Alok na. Ako na. Up and down and clap. Up and down and clap. Clap to the right and clap to the left. Turn around and clap. Jump ha. Ako na. Up and down and jump. Up and down and jump. Jump to the right and jump to the left. Turn around and jump. Stop. And stop. Up and down and stop. Stop to the right and stop to the left. Turn around and stop. Stop. And down and wing your eyes. Up and down and wing your eyes. Wing to the left and wing to the left. Turn around and wing. Go. Up and down and nod. Up and down and nod. Nod to the right and nod to the left. Turn around and nod. Ano pa?